guys! So today is a tutorial as well, and we're staying in the theme of Valentine's Day, but we're in the Ever After High series, and this is C.A. Cupid. We've heard that name before here on this channel, and that was in the Monster High series, but she has transferred to Ever After High, and so she has more of her goddess gleam, because Cupid is the daughter of Eros and Psyche, and also the granddaughter of Aphrodite. So she has that goddess glow, and just oh wow, yeah, she is a myth, she is a goddess, let's just say that. But when we think about the real thing with Cupid, when it comes to Eros and Psyche's daughter, her name is actually Hedone, and her name means pure pleasure. Oh yeah. But yeah, if you want to know how I transform into C.A. Cupid, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Glasses off, starting out with the Master Prime by Maybelline. Warming up between my fingers and then applying it to my skin. Now we're starting with the concealer. I'm taking the NYX Full Coverage Concealing Cream because I have some acne scarring. I'm taking the Deluxe Crease Brush by Really NYX. Also down here. Then for concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in, what is it, a C1. I'll cover up those dark circles. We don't want that for Cupid. I'm just gonna blend with this foundation brush by BH Cosmetics. And for foundation, I'm taking the Fast Base Stick Foundation in F1 by Makeup Revolution. You know, I absolutely love this foundation. It's so good for my skin. So good for my skin type. Being sensitive and having a bit of dehydration. And I'm just gonna blend the foundation with the Real Techniques buffing brush. You can use a sponge if you like. I just also very much like it to blend it up with a foundation brush or buffing brush. I'm very into brushes right now. Now it's time for setting the face. I'm taking the e.l.f. HD powder in sheer, and I'm getting into the puff game with setting my face. There we go. Now I'm just going to do my brows and the right side of my face off camera, and then I will be back. And there we go. Now we're starting out with the left eye. I'm taking my primer, my shadow primer by NYX, the HD eyeshadow base if you're new to the channel. For this tutorial I'll be using the BH Cosmetics 88 Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. Taking my crease brush by BH, and I'm taking this taupe color from A Transition. Applying it in my crease, and I'm feathering it out to make that illusion of my eye is bigger and yeah, longer. And then also add a little bit on the lower lash line. Using the same brush, I'm taking this pink right there, fourth from the top. And I'm applying it to my crease. Taking my shading brush by Real Techniques, I'm taking the top light pink. And I'm applying it on the outer half of my lid. Taking my base shadow brush by Real Techniques and this top shimmer pink, and I've dampened my brush a little bit, and I'm applying that to the inner part of my lid to get that more metallic shimmer finish. Going back to the matte palette, I am taking the Pixel Point eyeliner brush and I'm taking this bright, fuchsia pink. And I'm applying that on my lower lash line, just the outer part. And I'm also going slightly up into the crease. And I'm just going to take my finger, best tool in the entire world, applying that right there. I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend this fuchsia pink. And I'm also going to blend in here. I'm also blending between the matte and the shimmer. And for highlight, I am taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. It is so nice and shiny. I love that. And now for eyeliner, I'm taking the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and lining my top lash line and winging it out. And then for my lower lash line, I'm applying the NYX Light On eyeliner in what is it, Jet Black. There's so little left. I think it's the last thing, and I can't even sharpen my, what is it, Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean anymore, so I need to get myself a black eyeliner. And then I am going to curl my lashes and apply the NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof Mascara. And then if you have fake lashes, put them on. I just don't have any lash glue, so I can't do that. So I'll be right back. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Blushing Taupe and my contour brush by Real Techniques. Cupid may be young, but we still want them chiseled cheekbones because she is, a goddess actually. I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and my blush brush by BH just to get some warmth and some tan into the face. For blush, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice. I'm taking this pink shadow blush because it has such a nice healthy flush. And then for highlight, I'm taking the Mary Luminizer by The Balm and my setting brush by Real Techniques because obviously we want the goddess glow, mythology glow, tip of the nose, down bridge of the nose, and also forehead and Cupid's bow and chin. Now it's time for the lips. As we know, Cupid, she has an ombre lip, so I have here two lipsticks by Gush. The one on the other part of my lips, it will be Angel, such a white pink, actually not white pink, and in the middle of my lip it will be this color. It's called Tropical Pink. So, and I will obviously mix the colors with just a synthetic brush. This is one by Maybelline that I have, so let's just get to it. And the finishing touch, a little bit of setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics, the Slay All Day setting spray in Rose. So let's get to it. And there we go, CA Cupid. It's actually quite a cute look, I must say. Just the pinks and all that. I don't usually wear a lot of pinks, but it's so cute. And then this one, I'm getting better at them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and follow my blog. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!